Understanding the phrase, Get Tangled Up In, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, Get Tangled Up In. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and untangle the meanings and uses of this phrase. Get tangled up in is a metaphorical expression. It means to become involved in a complicated or difficult situation, often unintentionally. It can also mean becoming caught up in something that makes it hard to escape or find a solution. Think of it like getting your foot caught in a net. The more you struggle, the more entangled you become. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal situations, I got tangled up in a misunderstanding with my friend. 2. In work context, our team got tangled up in legal issues during the project. 3. In social or political discussions, it's easy to get tangled up in heated debates on social media. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to describe becoming inadvertently involved in complex situations. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are some phrases with similar meanings. Caught up in, ensnared in, mired in, entangled in. Each of these can be used interchangeably with get tangled up in, depending on the context. While we can't always avoid complex situations, here are a few tips. 1. Stay informed. Being aware of potential complications can help you steer clear of them. 2. Communicate clearly. Misunderstandings often lead to getting tangled up in unnecessary problems. 3. Think before acting. A moment of consideration can prevent entanglement in hasty decisions. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, get tangled up in. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations. See you in our next video.